N. Neutralize emotions. Shift into a higher perspective. Use the popular reframe to ask, how is this experience happening for me, not to me? What is this challenge teaching me? Now perform a cognitive reframe by saying the limiting belief. The old belief I held was, complete the sentence. Then declare, the new belief I choose now is, complete the sentence. To shift into gratitude, name 3 positives that have emerged from this experience. Then 5 new thoughts that support your growth and abundance. Following is a money-specific neutralization and magnetism version, a relationship-based emotional transmutation, and a trauma-safe nervous system neutralization script for sensitive clients, starting with money-specific neutralization and magnetism. Bring to mind the money situation you've been avoiding or stressing about. Notice the emotion, fear, pressure, scarcity, or doubt. Feel it in your body. Place your hand there and breathe. Say softly, I release survival-based thinking. It is the primal mind trying to protect me. I choose overflow. Now visualize money flowing to you with ease through aligned work, opportunities, and support. Feel gratitude as if it's already here. Declare, I am safe to receive. Money responds to my clarity and personal value. Now, here's a relationship-based emotional transmutation for those desiring a new or healthy relationship. Think of the person or a pattern causing emotional charge. Notice what you feel, whether it's hurt, anger, longing, or disappointment. Say inwardly, I release the need to be chosen to feel worthy. Breathe into your heart. Now imagine the relationship dynamic that you desire. Envision it healing, respect, safety, reciprocity, or feel what a new, healthy, and secure love feels like in your body. Declare, I am available for healthy, mutual connection. Take a moment to fully embody this sensation and anchor it with clarity and vivid detail. Envision the surroundings, the words spoken, the gestures of kindness or connection. Let the scene become specific and alive. Are you at peace? Are you happy? Are you laughing together or sharing a moment that feels genuine and warm? Let these details deepen the imprint of this new state. And lastly, a trauma-safe nervous system neutralization. Gently notice your breath. Do not force anything. Look around and name 3 things you can see. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Say quietly, in this moment, I am safe. Feel the support beneath your body. No story, no pressure, just safety. Let your nervous system settle before any belief work begins. Identify other ways you are safe in this moment and how you are supported. Let that feeling fill your body and say, this is now my baseline. Let's use a meditation to anchor your new identity, a neural and energetic recalibration. Settle into a comfortable position, close your eyes, take a slow, full breath in, and release. Dual awareness, old self and new self. Bring your old identity gently into awareness, not to judge it, not to shame it, only to witness it. Notice the old beliefs you once carried, the emotional patterns, the coping strategies, and the limitations that once shaped your choices. Now imagine a new self and higher self iteration to help anchor a new identity. Imagine both the old and new self, old beliefs and newly imagined identify simultaneously and alternately. Imagine new ideas and action you would take in this new identity. Imagine new emotions, sensations, feelings, and your ideal lifestyle. Let yourself feel this new identity. What are your strengths, the innate and new, that you bring into your new identity and life? And imagine what new opportunities you are ready for. Mindfully alternate between the old and the new identity several times. Whenever you need to, take a moment to refresh the awareness of your new ideal self. When the sense of the new identity is stronger than the old, you can let go of the old identity. You can now rest your awareness solely in the vision of the new identity. After a few moments of anchoring your new awareness only in the new identity, revoke the old identity once more and notice if that network lights up as strongly as it did before. What belief or feeling surfaced? The old identity will eventually fade by anchoring this vision it empowers us to recondition our new identity again and again, like a construct that can be learned and unlearned. It can be encoded to reinforce over time to rewire the old. This will also let go of the power we once had to our old behaviors, retiring and shedding our old programming. This will dismantle the old encoding that lives in the former patterns and neural pathways as we practice new self-identity and reinforce the new neural pathways. This helps us with new coping strategies of the new ideal identity, activating the prefrontal cortex known as the wise mind and superconscious, solidifying a stronger sense of self. Add new experiences, nuances, new environments, and constructs of the new self-identity. Imagine new experiences, behaviors, feelings, and beliefs you would like to invoke in your new identity. Once we've established the confidence of our new identity, we can let go of the old patterns. Once we can modify and monitor our perspectives and beliefs to create the most significant shift of all, switching from fear to love or a victim mindset to that of an empowering one. See your ideal self standing before you now, calm, clear, empowered, regulated, and confident. Envision yourself fully abundant and secure in your worth and self-concept. Let your nervous system memorize this state. Anchor it with a feeling, an association, or a vivid thought. Call to mind something unique and specific that genuinely excites you. Perhaps what you'll enjoy as you begin attracting your desired monthly income, where you'll travel, or what you'll experience at your 5-star dream destination, or how you'll feel with your ideal companion. See the ideal outcome clearly and let yourself step into the prosperity of this higher self-iteration. This is neuroplasticity in action. This is identity recoding. This is energetic authority returning home. Repeat the anchored vision that excites you the most each day, morning and night, to normalize it into your physical reality. Whisper inwardly, "Let the old self dissolve like fog in sunlight." Recoding the empowered I am statements. Feel the shift in your empowered identity. Now create your new empowered I am statements. I generate new options with clarity and confidence. I choose opportunities that are aligned and prosperous. I trust myself to build the life I envision. Now create 3 of your own new identity, I or I am, statements. Feel how your nervous system responds when you speak these truths. Now generate several new empowering thoughts, such as I am allowing more into my life with ease. List at least 3 new opportunities that now excite you with this new anchored identity and iteration. What desire now brings you the most genuine joy? Hint, it is often the opposite of your old wound. This helps reinforce new neural pathways. Gratitude expansion. What are you feeling gratitude for right now in your life? Integrate this insight with the following question. What new insight, value, or takeaway did you gain from this experience? Final neural and energetic seal. Place one hand on your heart. Declare slowly, I am no longer who I was. I am who I choose to become. My identity is aligned with safety, abundance, clarity, and power. My nervous system accepts this as truth. Take a deep breath in, exhale fully. The feeling sensation is the signal to embodiment and activating the heart-mind coherence. This state is the magnet. This reality is now encoded. The neural energetic seal. Take one slow breath in through your nose, hold for 3. Exhale slowly through the mouth. On the exhale, say, it is done. This locks the emotional frequency into the subconscious as a new baseline, not a future wish. Take a moment to let this new identity settle into your mind, body, and energy field. Know that every time you return to this practice, you strengthen the pathways of possibility and align more deeply with the life you're creating. You're doing powerful work. Trust the process and trust yourself. Return again tomorrow for day 4.